guys. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike.
My name's Benny Boy.
And ladies and gentlemen, today we are bringing you a little bit of a different vlog. Well, it's a food review.
Yeah, because I'm here, so it's a food review.
So we've come to a place called Sharkbite Burgers, which is next to Greg's. Look, Jess, Greg's. We're not going in Greg's today, though. We might go in there for the Dr. Pepper. I'm not sure, but this place has been recommended to us by Kyle from Cwmbran, and anyone in Cwmbran have all said you should go to Sharkbite Burgers, but it's obviously a bit difficult to get down there in Cwmbran. But they've opened a brand new one up in Newport, and
I'm excited.
And we are going to go and see what it's all about, isn't it, Ben?
Yes.
So just if you want to know where this one is, it's literally on the corner of Pill. So you got the as the Pill is just down by here. You got the Greg's, you got the
police station.
Police station, Pill Granny Police Station by there, and I think that's the BMW garage. I'm not sure. And the flats. I used to live in those flats. But anyway, let's go check this out, is it? We haven't told them we're coming. We never do, so they might tell us to stop filming.
Breakfast, fresh home cooked food, coffee.
I think that's part of a different thing.
Oh.
I think that's part of the health hut. I think what they do, they rent it out at night. So in the day it's one thing, and in the night it's another. I think.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure. Do they have it in the day, then you guys have got it in the night?
Yeah, so it's a health shop in the day.
Yeah.
For like protein, we've got calorie protein meals as well. And then in the night, then we've got Sharkbite.
Awesome. We're very excited.
But just so you know, we have no chicken chops, the chicken burger, and the mac and cheese, and another milkshake. We have everything.
Okay.
Here we go.
No chicken burgers, no? Damn. That's what I wanted.
Yeah, chicken burger. Basically, we've only just opened this one.
Yeah.
So all the special stuff is still in Cwmbran.
Okay.
Only opened it a week ago.
No, no problem, man.
No problem.
So far, mate, the staff are really, really nice, aren't they? So what we're going to do, we're going to study the menu. Oh, fuck on. Now, you heard that. They don't have any chicken.
Yeah.
Which is,
That's right. I mean,
it's okay. I'll probably go for just like a normal burger. So, let's go for the menu. So, Sharkbite Burgers. They can find them on Facebook and Instagram as well. It's got like all the information here. It just flopped. It did a flop. Hang on. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Oh. Are they real?
no, they're fake.
Smell.
But they're fake. Yeah, they're fake.
I must have stabbed your eye out.
No, you could clean, obviously.
Okay, yeah, it smelled real.
It smells like plastic.
Right, so these are the burgers we're faced with. We've got the Baby Shark, the Daddy Shark, the Great White, the Megalodon, Goblin Shark, the Chickfin Shark, which they don't have at the minute. Then you got your sauces, cheese sauce, bacon, onions, pulled pork, extra pate, monthly special burger. Oh, I might get a monthly special burger if they got any.
Oh. Crab bites, crisps, cheese, and potato balls, halloumi fries,
Waffle fries.
fiery chicken loaded fries. They don't have any chicken.
And they said they don't have any milkshakes either. Cheeseburger, chips and a dip. Oh, these are kids, these are. Alright, so sir, what are you going to have, Ben? The Great White, the guy suggested, is two beef patties, crispy bacon, shredded lettuce, crispy onions, burger sauce, and a toasted bun.
Yeah.
2 buff and
I want to
pulled
see if I can
pork.
take on the Megalodon as well.
I think you should.
I should try and
I
take
think
it
that'd
on.
be
That's
good.
gonna
What
be a
you
big bite.
give him a like, guys, if you think he can take on
I think I'll do it.
the Megalodon. where you guys get to see something that we haven't seen. You got behind the scenes where they're making the burgers. So I do want to show you. I had the, this was the Great White. Look at that. Oh my god, mate, that looks amazing. Look at Ben's. How are you gonna eat that, mate?
Oh, mate, look at that. Look at the cheese there.
Right. Shall I go first?
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go in first. I think that's too much meat for me, see?
There's never enough meat for me. Do you want me to draw a two-hand out?
Bottoms up, guys.
What's the
Is that on my
burger?
plate?
Yeah. On your right side.
Oh man.
Right by there.
That's amazing.
There we go.
That is a big burger, man. How is it?
That sauce, that burger sauce is really nice.
It's their homemade stuff, isn't it? It's their own stuff.
He said to me,
Oh look, what's that there, Ben? Let's have a look inside the burger then. Oh man, look at that. Oh, so nice. I think it's one of the best burgers I've ever had in my life.
honest to God,
Yeah.
it's so good.
I wish I had jalapenos in it though.
That sauce,
A little bit of spice, but
look at that. Look at that. Oh, that cheese.
feels like I'm in America. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, it's like a Burger King burger, but it tastes like a McDonald's burger. In terms of like, it don't taste like, it tastes better than a McDonald's burger, but what I mean is like, with a Burger King burger, it's kind of smoky. This is really nice. The crispy onions and the sauce is really nice, isn't it? How's yours, Ben?
The sauce, like the sauce is mental. It's so nice.
Do you have burger sauce?
You put it in there for me, yeah.
It's a shame they didn't have any chicken because I really like chicken burgers. But in terms of burgers to go, it's very nice. So, we thought the burger was that nice. We got another one. What burger is this, Ben?
This one is the Goblin Shack.
So this is the Goblin Shack. So Ben, tell them what's in it. Well, like, do it.
So we got two smashed beef patties cooked in a chili-infused oil with chili cheese, spicy salsa, jalapenos, crushed chili heat wave Doritos, and chili sriracha drizzle.
You can smell that. Right then, should we do it together?
Yeah, man. I know it's like really. You got more than me.
Do you want another one?
No,
Mine.
Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of jalapenos,
Oh, it smells lush.
so I'm going to take the jalapenos out.
Do you know what? When I was eating the other burger, I was like, I bet you the Goblin Shack is better. Oh, bro, put your jalapeno on there for me.
Grab it. Oh, wait, where's my phone gone?
Oh, man, it's messy. Cheers, bro. Oh, cheers. Let's do Ben first. There's a nice bit of dribble in on your lip. Yeah? Spicy, is it?
Nice kick to it, isn't it?
Absolutely phenomenal. That's what I needed.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Wow. It's not spicy. It's not spicy.
Like, when you compare it to like
yeah.
Wingstop spice level, it's nowhere. But
It's nice. It's tasty. I'm gonna have your jalapenos, mate.
yeah.
This is my new go-to burger. Every time I come here, this is the one. Oh, the problem is, they go really quick.
Come down and try, just opened, Sharkbite's in Newport. Try our store in Cwmbran, the best burgers in Wales.
Don't forget to subscribe to Spud Boys.
Yes! Subscribe to Spud Boys, you've heard it now.
Yes.
The best burgers in Wales, guys. 100% legendary Spud. So we're going to finish our outro now. But that, guys, that was amazing. Thank you so much.
Appreciate that, yeah.
Thank you
so much.
Just give them.
Right, ladies and gentlemen. That was incredible. The customer service was like... Because we do these ratings on Spud Boys. If you've never seen a Spud Boy food review before, we do these ratings. You've got like bronze, silver, gold, and legendary. It used to be platinum. We've got it to legendary.
Legend.
And legendary is when like
not just the food, you know.
Yeah, not just the food. It's the experience, the customer service, and that was 100% legendary. Those guys in there were incredible one day.
Yeah, we're gonna get rid of it.
We're gonna get rid of it. Yeah, but it's right by there. Sharkbite is part of the. Well, it's not part of it, but I believe it's they share the building.
The building with
right next to Greg's. Why is Greg's open? Greg's is normally shut. It's quite late. It's like 7 o'clock.
Oh, it's very slow.
That's weird. Anyway, oh well. Yeah, I think if you want to try the best burgers in Wales, personally, I thought the Goblin Shark, the spicy one, was the best.
In terms of spice, I mean, it was the only spicy one on there. It was a nice kick, but it wasn't like you guys seen the Wingstop one. That was pain. Like that was for me. That was pain. This was like a nice hit. Take like a flavour, some spice.
It was tasty.
Yeah, literally
the other burger was really tasty as well. But
juicy, all the sauce, everything that was in like the specific burgers, like complemented each other.
Yeah.
Like all the flavours.
Banging. Legendary. It's a legendary Spud.
I was saying to Mike that I went through a weird phase of trying to cook smash burgers myself, and like you can do them, but like that's how you do them. Yeah. So you want to get down here, give it a go.
There's also one in Cwmbran, so if you can come down to Newport,
get up the brand.
Up the brand. Up the brand. Right then, guys. So thank you very much for watching the vlog. We'll catch you all in the flip side. Ben, would you like to do it? You do it wrong every time.
No, I'm not doing it this
time. I'm going to do it.
I'm not doing it. No.
Right then, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you all on the flip.